what we call it as a molecular imaging branch. So I'm taking care of that for India and other South Asian countries. So this is our product, and this has a lot of innovative benefits for the patients mainly, and for the user as well, and the complete public living in this part of the state. So that would be the key benefit. And along with the press representatives, I would also like to invite and welcome Dr. Venkatachalapati. He is the head of the Department of Nuclear Medicine, and people from Radiology Department. So they will be the people who will talk on the clinical aspects of that. So before the machine, I would like to say that basically there is a big demographic change that is occurring in the population these days, which is causing lifestyle diseases to increase, mainly cancer, cardiovascular disease and other diseases. These are very much on the rise. And as per one of the statistics of Tamil Nadu Health Department, the death due to cardiovascular disease alone is between 360 to 410 for 1 lakh population. That is the death only due to cardiovascular disease. So then the statistics also says that 20% of the adult population has hypertension, and 10% of the people in general in Tamil Nadu have some kind of a cardiac ailment. So this is the kind of demographic population that we are looking at, and that is where exactly our new machine comes in. This India Evo XL is a very patient-friendly machine with the smallest footprint in the industry, with the gantry opening which is 30% wider than any other machine that is available in the industry for much better patient comfort, and it has higher sensitivity so that it can do the scanning much faster for the patient. Patient needs to be under the bed for a much less time as compared to any other scanner in the world today. And the detector is so flexible that even without the patient bed, you can do the scanning straight away using a wheelchair or a patient stretcher itself. So these things are the unique features of this particular machine. Of course, we will take you to the department to show the machine for yourself, and then you can see the machine yourself. So these are the innovative things where patient can benefit and the physician can benefit in terms of the clinical utility of the machine in diagnosing the disease very early. And the SPECT camera is more useful for diagnosing cardiac ailments, neuro, renal ailments, thyroid, bone. For multiple diseases, it is very helpful. I would like to invite Dr. Venkat to give some talks on the clinical utility of the new scanner as compared to the earlier type of scanner that he was having in the department.